Hello, hi, this is Arpit Gupta, and I'll be your Python trainer. Right, so in this video, in this class, I'll be discussing about some basics of Python language. Okay, uh, yeah, so this is basically an introductory class of Python language. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first, let me ask you a question that what is Python? I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain. I can say Python is a multi-purpose language. Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented scripting language, right? Python is basically a high-level language. What is the meaning of high level? What is the meaning of high level? Just a second. Okay, yeah. When I talk about the high level means it's easy to understand and easy to write and read. Okay, if I talk about the C, C++, Java, and some other languages, so I can say those languages are low-level languages. On the other hand, the Python is a high-level language because we can easily understand and read Python. We can easily write and read the codes of Python language, okay, which are written in Python language. So I can say Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive. It's very interactive. We can interactively run the codes of Python language without using the compiler. Okay, and it's basically an object-oriented scripting language. Everything is in Python is a object is an object. Okay, yeah, and the slide is saying Python is designed to be highly readable. It's very easy to read the Python. The code which are written in Python language is highly readable. Okay, it uses English keywords frequently. That's why it is very easy to read because in Python the English keywords are used frequently. All right. Yeah. So and in Python, the English keywords, the punctuation is used, and it has fewer syntactical construction than other languages, right? Unlike C. So if a code is written in Python or a code is written in C, then it is very easy to understand the code in Python as compared to the code is written in C or C++ or Java or some other low-level languages. Okay, okay. So let's move forward. I can say Python is a multi-purpose language. What is the meaning of multi-purpose? I can use the Python language to build the web applications, to build the GUI, the graphical user interface. We can write the script by Python, and some more things are there by which we can use the Python language, right? It is an object-oriented language. Everything in Python is an object. It is interpreted, strongly typed, and dynamically typed. But if we talk about the C, C++, then, then the C language is statically typed. Statis, statically typed. Okay, the C language is not dynamically typed. Okay, the focus of Python is on readability and productivity, right? Okay, and some more things are there here in the slide. The Python is interpreted, Python is interactive, Python is object oriented. As I said, Python is beginner's level, beginner's language. So Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and supports the development of a wide range of applications, from simple text processing to the browsers to games. We can create a simple text, simple code, simple scripts by Python till games. We can even create the games by the Python language, right? So basically from low to high. Okay. Now, if we talk about the history of the Python, then okay, before the history of the Python, let's first discuss about the features of Python, right? What are the features of Python? As every language, every application has some special features, the Python has the same. Python has some specific features, unlike some other languages. The features like in Python, everything is an object. Python has an interactive shell. It is it works on cross platforms. If the OSs are different, then we can uh, create a Python program on a different OS, suppose on Windows, and we can run that program on Linux or a Macintosh, right? And some more features are there. It is easy to learn, easy to read, it is easy to maintain, an interactive mode, portable, extendable. Some more features are there. Okay, so now we'll talk about the history of the Python. So if we talk about the history of Python, then Python is developed in the late 80s. I can say 1989. The Python has founded in 1989, and the first version of Python has launched in 1991. All right, and the Python has found in Netherlands in National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science. All right, basically Python is the combination of some other languages like ABC, Modula, C, C++, and some more languages are there. Python is basically an open source language. We can easily copy the source codes of Python from the internet. We can modify and distribute those source codes, right? Features of Python, again, it's showing the feature of Python, but we have discussed some features of Python. All right. So in nutshell, I can say that Python is a high level language. We can easily understand, and we can easily write, read the codes of Python, because it has used the most of the words in English language, the punctuation of English. Okay, yeah. So yeah, and one more thing, the codes of Pythons are very easy. Suppose if I want to print hello good morning in C, then if I create the code to print hello good morning in C, C++, or Java, then it would take around 5 to 6 lines of codes. On the other hand, if I write the code in Python to print hello good morning, then it will take only one line of code, right? So it makes the code shorter. It makes the code shorter. It saves the time. It is very easy. It is very useful. It is very, it's very demanding. I mean, it's very demanding on the market, right? Okay, so yeah, so I think it's enough for this class. Basically, an introductory class. So it's enough for this class. Now we'll discussing more about the Python in our next class, in our next video. So let's off this class. I'll see you on the next class. Till then, keep watching my videos, and bye bye.